Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we're going to be doing like a seaside beachy kind of theme, and I've already went in with some base coat and cured it for 30 seconds. Now I'm coming in with my foil adhesive gel, and then this will get cured for 60 seconds. Once that comes out the lamp, we're ready to apply our foils. So I'm just putting them on and then rubbing it in with my finger. You could also do this with a silicone tool if you prefer. And I'm rubbing with quite a hard, but not like hard that you would hurt somebody, pressure, just to make sure that that comes off properly. And I'll do the same on this other finger. And I just kept adding some of these foil patterns. It's like animals. I think there's like a turtle and a seahorse if I remember correctly, and then some of the plants that you could find undersea. So I'm just putting them all on in the same way as I did those ones at the bottom of those nails. So now I'm going to mix a colour using Buttercup, Nude and Fawn I think it is, and mixing them together to create like a sandy colour, and then I'll apply this to the nails using a nail art brush, like a gel brush. They've already been base coated already and put in the lamp for 30 seconds. So once I've applied this, I'll then put it in the lamp for 30 seconds and then I'll come in and do a second coat and cure that as well. So now I'm going to come in and add some sea. So I'm just using a nice blue for that, and I'm just placing it where I want the sea bit to be, like really appear on the nail. I will leave some areas a little bit glassy so that it looks really nice and you can see through that nail. So I'm then going to come in with a glass shell in blue as well, because I'm wanting to have some different tones to that sea. And again, I'm just applying it like sparingly. It's not getting put in any particular pattern on these nails, just a little bit here and there. And then I'll pop it in the lamp for 30 seconds to cure. So I'm going to add some footprints to the thumbnail, so I'm just mixing two colours together, and then I'm just going to brush them on with this little brush and then pop them in the lamp for a cure. So now I'm coming in with a shiny top coat, and I'm just going over all the areas that have the water. So once that has been cured in the lamp, I'm going to come in and mix some white with some Wipe Topcoat, and we're just going to brush that on with a nail art brush to the areas where we want like the foamy bit of the sea to be. Now before we cure that in the lamp, I am going to come in and add on some some bubbles, sorry, which you will see shortly, and then I'll pop it in the lamp. That's just to give it the effect of the foaminess of the sea. This will then be repeated on the other nails and then popped in the lamp to cure as well. So once those have cured, I'm coming in and wiping off those bubbles using some isopropyl alcohol and just a little sponge. And then what I'm doing is I'm using another one of these sponges, and it's got some of that mixture that we mixed up, like the darker colour, and I'm just dabbing it everywhere, just to give it more of a grainy sort of look. And then this will be popped in a lamp to cure. I'm then coming in with matte top coat and some clear acrylic, and what we're going to do is, before popping this in the lamp to cure, we're going to pop that clear acrylic over the top and use a dotting tool to mark out where those little footprints are, and then just going over the top of the pointer finger and the pinky finger where the sand is as well, and popping that in the lamp to cure. So all this does is just give that sandy area a nice texture like it would be sand, and just adds to those nails. And once that's been cured, I come in with my brush and just dust away all those extra particles of that acrylic. And that is this design finish, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now!